We want to create an expense submission form where we get our costs of expenses and we need to get a receipt image. The issue is in Google Forms, we can add here a question and say upload receipt, and we can offer an upload here, file upload. But we want to make sure that our files are always images. Let's do that. So we've created a form, we've created a sheet that's going to take in all the form responses. We're going to be able to total it up in the Google Sheet. But right now our issue is that we need to, unfortunately, only specifically get images. So when we have a file upload in a Google form, we're going to have to click this button, allow only specific file types. We'll click that and we select not document, not spreadsheet, not PDF, but over here on the right is image. Now, here we can have a maximum number of files. Sometimes people are going to be uploading in batches, but for our purposes, we need one receipt for one purchase, and we can have a maximum file size. Now, you may be confused about the file sizes as which should I do? Should I allow large files? For images and specifically photos, especially from your phone, we may want to leave it at about 10 megabytes. We may want to limit it if we want to limit our Google Drive size and say, hey, make sure you only allow or add low resolution images, but you can keep it at 10 megabytes and it's going to be totally fine. Now, everything is saved. You can see at the top it says all changes saved in Drive. We don't have to save anything. We don't have to do anything. But now, when we answer this question and we want to upload a file, anyone who does it can only upload an image. So that's how you restrict anyone to just upload images.